I'm Bea from Mundo Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese lemongrass beef noodle salad. It's delicious. We're going to start obviously with lemongrass. Here I have 2 lemongrass. What we want to do is just take the white part of it. Now that we have them roughly chopped like this, let's transfer them to a mortar. And to that, I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, more or less. I like spicy food, so in this recipe, I'm going to use 2 Thai chili. I wish you can smell this. The unique thing about this recipe is that instead of using salt, it uses fish sauce and oyster sauce to season it. And this is the fish sauce brand that I like to use for daily use, because when I try it, the first thing that I taste is not the saltiness. I taste the umami flavor first. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons and to that I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use whatever sugar that you want. And finally 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's just give everything a mix. Now let's just put this aside while we cut the meat. So here I have 1 pound of ribeye. Cut it around 1/4 inch thickness of strips. I would recommend you to marinate the meat overnight so that the flavors blend all well together. Moving on to our sauce. I'm gonna use 4 chili. To that, I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, more or less. Let's pound everything into a paste. Okay, let's just transfer this into a bowl. To this paste, I'm gonna add juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and finally 1/4 cup of water. Set this aside for later. Some lettuce, some red cabbage, some cucumber, 1 or 2 carrots. This is 7 ounces of dried vermicelli rice that I boiled and then rinse under cold water. So I have the beef marinating since last night. So now it's time to cook it. To cook the meat, I'm using iron cast pan. I like it because it gives that beautiful char that you're looking for when you're grilling meat. And for the herbs, we're going to use some mint and cilantro. Now that we have everything ready, let's assemble our plate and eat.